So I'll have p squared minus 2p is minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3, plus 4, 0, 0, 4. So let me now resolve this. Minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. So this, we arrive at a unit matrix for that answer. So let's see our option and see the one that correlates to that. And that is option A. Now, question 9. If this equals to this, find the value of x. If you look at this slash, it's showing that to look for the determinant of this and this. Determinant of this is equal to the determinant of this. So how do we do that? X minus x 2 4x 1 is equal to 3x 4 minus 5. Now, how do you do that? 1 times minus x minus 2 times this, just like saying 1 into minus x minus 2 into 4x equals to this again, 3 into minus 5 minus 4 into 3x. 1 times minus x 2 times this minus 8x equals to 3 times this minus 15 minus 4 times this minus 12x. So this one will give us minus 9x equals to minus 15 minus 12x. So let's collect like terms. Minus 9x plus 12x equals to 15. So minus 9x plus 12x, that's 8x equals to 15. Minus 15. So that's right, one has to be careful, minus 15. So I have this as minus 15. So we divide both sides by what? 3 to get our x. 3a1, 3a5, that's minus 5. So x equals to minus 4. That's why one has to be careful because minus 5 is here, 5 is also here. So our answer is here. Then the next question says that a matrix P has an inverse of this. Has an inverse this, which is equals to this. Find P. We have to be very careful at this level. The first thing we need to ask ourselves, we need to task ourselves is that what understanding do we have as far as inverse is concerned? We know that the matrix A, the inverse of the matrix A, the inverse of A is 1 over the determinant of A of the matrix. Now, in this situation, since our A can only be obtained from this trend by simply interchanging. So in this, that means we have to calculate our P. What we need to do to take it back to this original, we interchange this. We interchange. So automatically, if you interchange this, there will be no effect since you have 1, 1. So it still remains 1, 1. Then the other one, what happens is that we try to use our minus to neutralize that. So we are using minus 0 minus 3. So automatically this one will give us, and our P at the end will now be equals to 1 minus times minus plus. So this one becomes 3. Then minus 0, then minus 0 is the same thing as what? 0. And put 0 there. So our P will be 1, 3, 0. So go to our option and see the one that correlates to that, and that is option C. Then the next question says that M and N are two matrices defined by, so this is our M and this is our N. The question asks us to find 2N minus 3. So our N, let's write our N. Our N is 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2, then 4 minus 1, 5. Then we'll have 2 minus 3 minus 4. So our 2n automatically becomes 2 into 1, 3, 2, 4, minus 1, 5, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So that will be 2, 6, 4. 8 minus 2, 10. 4 minus 6 minus 2. That's our 2n. Then our n is 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 0. So our 3n will now be 3 times this 3, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times this 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times minus 1, minus 3, 3 times minus 3, minus 9, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times this 0. So if you are now to subtract 2n minus 3n, it will simply be, where is our 2n? 2, 6, 4, 8 minus 2, 10, 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 3, 9, 6, 12, 15, minus 3, minus 9, 6, 0. So here, let's do it stepwise. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 6 minus 9, minus 3. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 6, minus 2. 8 minus 12, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 15. Minus 2, minus 15. That is minus 17. 10 minus minus 3, that's 13. 4 minus minus 9, that is 13. Minus 6 minus 6, minus 12. Minus 2 minus 0, minus 2. So this will definitely be 2 and minus 3. The answer of that is what you are doing. Now, question 12, the inverse of the matrix. So we know, let's just say A is 2, 1, 1, 1. So if you are to look for the inverse of this A, it will simply be 1 over the determinant of A over what? The matrix. Or let me put it this way, minus. Now, in that situation, what it simply means is that we are to look for A, the determinant of A. What's that? This time this 2 minus this time this. That's 1. Determinant of A is 1. So that means A inverse will definitely be 1 over 1 into. We interchange the leading diagonal 1, 2. Then we subtract the diagonal minus 1, minus 1. So here, that means our A inverse will just be A inverse 1 divided by this. So 1 times this is still 1. This time this minus 1, minus 2. So we are going to have 1 minus 1, minus 1, 2. So let's go to our option and see the one that has correlation with that, and that's option D. Then the next question says that find the values of x and y respectively if this plus this is equals to this. So we are just going to form an equation. If we look at this very well, that means what we are expecting is that by the time we add this one, this first row, this plus this plus this plus this must give us this. That's what we are having. So we pay attention to where we have our x and y. We have our x and y. So this plus this must be equal to this. That's equation 1 we're going to derive from there. 1 plus x must be equal to minus 2. Then, where is our y? Look at where our y is. So 2 plus y must be equal to minus 3. 2 plus y must be equal to minus 3. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So from equation 1, we can see that our x will now be minus 2 minus 1. Our x equals to minus 3. Then from equation 2, we y will definitely be minus 3 minus 2, and y equals to what? Minus 5. So x equals to minus 3, y equals to minus 5, respectively. Yes, minus 3 will come before minus 5. So automatically the answer will be option D. Now, question 14. We have if P is this, evaluate X if P, so they gave us the determinant of P. So we have to determine the determinant of P. Owing to this, our P is equal to X plus 3, X plus 2, X plus 1, X minus 1. So, to find the determinant of that, so since our determinant of P is given to be what? Minus 10. So that means X plus 3 into X minus 1 minus X plus 2 into X plus 1 is equals to minus 10. So then that means, let's open this. This time this X squared. This time this minus X. This time this plus 3X. This time this minus 3. Put in a bracket minus. This time this X squared. This time this plus X. This time this plus 2X. This time this plus 2 equals to minus 10. So X squared plus 2X minus 3 minus X squared plus 3X plus 2 equals to minus 10. So X squared plus 2X minus 3. Let's open this. Minus X squared minus 3X minus 2 equals to minus 10. Then this cancels this because X squared minus X squared cancels. Plus 2X minus 3X, that's minus X. Minus 3 minus 2, that's minus 5 equals to minus 10. So we have minus X equals to